Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to change the background of an image for free using Adobe Firefly. First, open up Chrome and search for Adobe Firefly. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Adobe Firefly page, choose the option to create with Firefly. Upload the image of yourself or whoever you want to change background for. Click Background. Next, describe the new background you want to generate. For example, you can write New York. Click on the Generate button and give it a minute for Adobe Firefly to work its magic. Once the image is generated, check the result to see if it matches your expectations. If you want to explore more options, click on More Results. Click Keep, and then proceed to download it. Click on the Download button and wait for the image to be processed.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
Finally, download the image and make sure to check the quality of the background change. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background of your image for free using Adobe Firefly.